Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can enter the safe mode on your TCL Smart TV. So to enter the safe mode on your remote, you can go to the top right corner on the settings by navigating. So as you can see, I've opened the settings. Now I can go to my device preferences. So from here on, you can go to About on the very top. And from here on, you can scroll down to go to the Restart. So if you click on the Restart once, so I'm going to click it on once, it is going to prompt me to restart my TCL Smart TV, but I can cancel it. But if I want to enter the safe mode, I can keep pressing on my middle OK button. So the long press, it will show me to reboot to safe mode. So if I reboot it into my safe mode, then it is going to turn on my safe mode. And if I want to exit the safe mode, I can simply restart my TV normally, and then it will cancel the safe mode and be normal. So I hope it was helpful and it resolved the issue. Thank you so much for watching.